Hello great people, nice to see you again. In this video we will simply learn subtotal function in MS Excel. Through this one function, that is subtotal function, we can perform multiple operations. Average, count, count a, max, minimum, product. You don't need to memorize each function number. Just MS Excel will show you a list of available function numbers as soon as you begin typing a subtotal function in a cell or in a formula bar. Before move on to data, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. As you see the data that we have one table that consists of item and price columns, and we have to calculate these functions with subtotal functions. Simply type is equal to subtotal, select the required function number. For instance, we have to calculate the average price column, so type 1, comma, and select the price range, bracket close and press enter. So onward we do same process is equal to subtotal, select the required function number. For example, for count type 2, for count A type 3, and so on. Then type the comma, select the concerned range where we have to find the result, bracket close and press enter. So this way we can perform the multiple operations just using a single function, that is subtotal function. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.